शादी में मजा आया था ना?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
ये फोटो ले, मैं वीडियो ले रहा है।
अच्छा
Look who I met. Hey, hey, hey. Sukha chutney looks good. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras.
So it's around 10 o'clock and where are we going?
We're going to church for some work. So a lot of exciting news to come in. Now what is that? We won't be telling you right now. But with due time you guys will come to know what the scenario is.
In case you all have to guess, you all can guess in the comment
Section
below.
Yes.
So चला आता पाहू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
Guess where we are, which church is this? It's the Infant Jesus Church. We are here for some work. As I told you, there's some news to be shared soon. If you want to know or you can guess what it is, please comment it. We'll tell you the news in few days. Lovely. So guys, we just got done with our work and now we are heading home. Hungry? Are you hungry?
I have had breakfast. Now I will go and have lunch since we have kept a new.
Yeah, they
cook
don't
at
know.
home.
Yeah, we have kept a cook at home now, so she
No
will
outside
be.
food.
I was just about to say we'll have McDonald's and take something because it's on the way. But now since we have kept a cook at home, I guess home cooked meals only. And I have a show in the evening, so I am rushing to Andheri after reaching home. It's a haldi function, so it's gonna be fun. I'll keep you posted of the same. Near the church, you have the cold storage, so we are going there now. I've taken my sausages. Now you decide which one you want in chicken. You want salami or sausages? Salami is there, no?
This one is plain one.
Chicken salami plain.
Bamboo. Salami cheese is not there. Cheese on there is. New one there is.
My favorite kori roti is there. If somebody can make for me, please make for me. I so want it. Yeah, what? To have some vada pav now. Auntie is making hot vada pavs. Kali suka chutney dalna. I love this suka chutney. It looks good. It's too hot, but still craving for vada pav is always there. And since I have a show in the evening, I'll have now one vada pav and then for breakfast have lunch since cook is there. And once lunch is done, I'll immediately change and leave. Today I'm at Andheri in Sun City, the same place where we had our court marriage reception. So the lot of memories will just flow in, you know, the nostalgia and everything will be there. We'll take the vada pav and then go in the car and eat. It's too hot to stand here and eat. Thecha pan hai. Look at that. We have already watched a lot of Thecha in MasterChef. Nikki Tambola has been always saying Thecha. So it'll be fun to have this now. I like the hygiene that's there here. This is what it's supposed to be. Here it is. I've got the parcel and now have it in the car. I already had the first bite and believe me, it's too good. Too good. Amazing, amazing. Vada pav, too good. I dropped baby ahead. She didn't come to the parking lot because somebody was at the door, and she's made me carry everything. Ye dekh, I'm carrying my sausages, salami, cold storage stuff. Now I'll go have some of these maybe. I don't know what our cook is going to make, and then head over to Andheri for the haldi function. It's too hot, it's way too hot, unbearable heat, but somehow we are managing the scenario. Who's that? Hello, good morning, how are you? Take this and go. One by one, take one only. T2 time, who wants T2? Hey, who wants T2? See, they're coming for T2s.
Doggy was Chester? When Chester wants? I gave you no? Dila tula. Take. Ite babu. Ite.
Good treats चालू कर सकते हैं अभी. And look at this fellow. Food gets them united. So guys, I've dressed up. Today is a haldi, so I'm wearing yellow, and chef just left, but we'll show you what all she's cooked. Baby will be briefing us about it because she was the one who was watching what she's doing and what she's not doing. Of course, we didn't show her to you because we haven't asked her permission as yet, and it doesn't look good to record without asking her the first day as well. So we didn't want to piss her off. So, baby, over to you now. So, baby, tell.
आज चवळीची भाजी केली आहे
Okay.
आणि सिन्स तू नसणार आहे म्हणजे
हा.
तर रात्री मी आणि हृदयच आहे तरी मग एकच भाजी केली आहे नाही तर ती युजली दोन
दोन.
भाज्या करते आणि डाळ आहे गोडी डाळ
Gudi.
डाळ
Okay. And that might be rice.
हा दिस इज राईस
Steamed rice.
आणि चपात्या गरम गरम आहे
Chapati.
Yeah,
Nice.
now we need chapati every day.
Correct.
Because
Yeah, we are gonna give them
also
also now.
eats Charlie Coco, everyone
They
eats.
also will be eating this. Hey, good dish. Chalo, I'll make a move. I'll just taste a little bit and then leave.
Just to side ला हो थोडंसं बाबू. सोनिया.
You just want to sit where you are. Guys, I guess there's a war that's going to brew between India and Pakistan. Bye.
हाँ बस तुझे.
And everybody, please take care, pray. That's what is the need of the hour. We don't want wars to take place, and it should, everything should be fine before anything extreme takes place. And now I'm heading to the venue. Baby is going to have a lunch. I don't usually. I just had a bowl of dal and it was really very tasty. Something that I loved. So I just drank the entire dal. Now I'll go and just trim my beard and everything and then head over to the venue. Baby, bye. Take care. Love you. Bye. Bye today. Bye. Bye. Since the car was serviced, I had to remove all my things. So now put it back, but I need to carry all my bags. See the amount of bags I'm carrying. Oh, and it's too hot. Sure, bye baby. Take care. Bye. Bye. Love you. बहुत गर्मी. From here to the venue is just 45 minutes to 1 hour. but I'll go and trim my beard first, so my beard would be on point. I need to, you know, as an MC, you're supposed to groom, and that's what I do every time. I'll show you where I do it. You all might be knowing La Bella is where I usually go. If I have my regular guy, I'll take in some videos. Let's see. So this is where I go to trim my beard. I hope my guy is there. Yes, Kari beard trimming. So he's the one. अब भाई बोल सकते हो, डालने वाला हूँ मैं. So he's the one who always does my hair and beard. आज खाली से beard चाहिए और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, चलो. I always hate the after shower, you know, it just burns. Now I do the final setup once I reach the venue. Thank you, bro. Acha काम किया. Got my beard trimmed, and I'll set up my hair once I'm there at the venue. Makes no sense doing it right now. And now I'm on my way to the venue. I'll show you the venue once I reach. रास्ते का कुछ दिखाने वाला नहीं है ना. It's way too hot though. Just telling you guys, just stay hydrated. Today it's not raining. It has been raining for the past 2 days everywhere in Mumbai, and because of that it's now going to be doubly hot. Chalo guys, see you. So guys, I just reached the venue, and that's Sun City Hotel behind me. 1 hour of traveling, and luckily not much traffic, to be honest. But what happened was, in between there were these people crossing the road. So in one shot there were way too many people crossing the road, so there it just took me 10 minutes of waiting. I don't know what had happened. Suddenly the police guy had asked us to all stop the cars and, you know, let them cross the road, and that's what happened then. Reach the venue. I'll just go and keep the things up and then go down for some chai maybe. As I said, I'll just go and keep the bags on top and then come down to the banquet hall. So the entrance is looking good. I'll show it to you. The name board, I mean. Look at this. Welcome to Sun City. Haldi ceremony of Nishit and Anjali. 5th floor. And since it's Haldi, I'm wearing yellow. Honestly, I wanted to go down to have a cup of tea. Unfortunately, that's not happening because the crowd has already come. I'll show you all a small glimpse of it. There are already 10-12 people, and as an MC, it doesn't look good, to leave them like this and go down. So once, let's see. Hi, Brian, the one who took care or handled my wedding. From Sun City, we have Brian. Brian, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
How are you? After a long time, I'm coming here, no?
Yes.
I'll just talk to him just a minute. Brian was kind enough for me to get this black tea that I so desperately need before the show. Thank you so much, Brian. And of course, anybody wants to connect with Brian, please connect. He's the one who handles Sun City for all your venues. As I said, people have already come in, but I won't take up the videos right now. Maybe in sometime later I shall. Check out the decor. And this is Prakash. He's the one who handles everything. During our wedding reception, he handled everything here. So everybody was assured of starters, the drinks and everything. शादी में मजा आया था ना?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
मजा किया ना? But that was just a court marriage. अभी देखते हैं अभी कब हम लोग का church wedding हो जाएगा. देखते हैं क्या scenes है. And of course, the groom The
Hi,
groom is
guys.
your Nishit. He's also a vlogger, by the way. I'll put his also
Oh, yeah, I'll just share
link.
it
Yeah,
somewhere.
yeah, I will do that, and you can go and subscribe to his channel as well.
Okay.
So he's getting married on the 13th. की शादी कब है? 13th को ही है ना?
11th, it is on 11th actually.
11th को reception 13th को है.
13th.
So 11th is the wedding, but reception is on the 13th, and today is the haldi.
Haldi,
So
so-
he's all set. He's going to perform. So I will take few
So
snippets
few
of
shots,
yeah.
you can enjoy it. And
Yes.
You going to anchor it. You will love it. That
Yeah,
is good.
yes. I'm waiting for the crowd to come in now. Few members have come in, but we're waiting for actual crowd to come in. Once that comes in, we can start with. We have games also, so Lord, I'll
Also
capture.
fun
Yes,
videos are going to come. You'll love it. That video.
I'm glad you're matching yellow.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice. Chalo, you're gonna have a lot of fun then.
Fun,
I'll keep
so
you
stay
updated. Yes. Crowd has come a bit now. People on the other side, of course. Photographers are here. Best part of Sun City. I always get the royal treatment here. Starters are served in a plate for me. Really tasty food. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Girls. Ready? Everybody. क्या कहना? Hey. Hey, hey. Look who I met, another DJ in the house but didn't come to play. Kaisa harami hai re.
Harami.
Look who's come all the way from.
Kathmandu.
Yeah. Are you guys enjoying India?
Yes.
No,
Yes?
we haven't visited anywhere actually.
The first time.
No, it's not our first time though. No. Where should we go next?
Where should they go?
I mean,
Go to Kerala actually.
No, in
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Go to Marine Drive. Marine Drive.
Some marine ride.
Where should they go? He take him. He's a good guide.
Okay.
you
Take them and go,
definitely,
seriously.
madam. I mean, you guys are here for how long?
Till wedding only.
He's the new guy. So guys, just got done with the event and I'm not going home. I'm meeting Lolly. So he's coming in 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here he is. बहुत money. So we are now going to our friend's place whose birthday. And कैसा है भाई?
Going on, I want to tell you something.
अच्छा
The camera goes off.
Yeah.
Comment below what I'm gonna talk.
Yeah. If you're drunk, then you should be definitely commenting.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
I don't know who's drunk. Yes, definitely comment. If it's 2 o'clock,
Yeah.
1:30, 2 o'clock, you have to comment.
1 hour 45 minutes to go for that.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Otherwise, DM him.
Yes. Now we are going to our friend's place. If possible, I'll try to convince him or her to be in the vlog. If not, sorry, can't do anything about it.
We'll just put a face thing.
Face thing, yes.
Yeah, okay. Cool. We'll see you over there.
Yes, bye. So we just parked the car and now we are on our way to our friend's place. She too is an MC like us. Of course, yeah, we can record now, so we are just telling you all.
Yeah.
And she doesn't know that Rodney is coming home. I called her and I told her I am coming. That's it. I have to write all the details and all. So let's see. We'll go up and we'll surprise her with Rodney as the gift for her birthday.
Rained over here, by the way.
हाँ, I realized it. पूरा अभी slippery हो जाएगा ये रोड.
Slippery no, तो first day हो गया था पूरा. I think one top. Let's go.
चलो. DJ Rodney, oh nice.
नहीं चाहिए Please come.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Please come.
Oh my god. Now that's a surprise.
Oh, everybody's eating. Hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi,
You
hi.
met them. Hi.
I met them. Oh, I lost weight. How are you? How are you? Hi, crazy cat lady. Hi, Baba. How are you? All good. क्या देख रहे रे?
Funny
animals, funny moments.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. That's the one whose birthday it is.
Thank you.
Another MC, another MC. Yes,
Just another MC.
just another MC. Hey, lovely.
लड़की बड़ी हो रही है.
Oh, thank God for the AC. Yay.
Send this to your mom. Yeah.
Lolly, you couldn't get one more cake,
I'm
right?
going to get this cookie, both of them.
एक तो 300 इतना भी नहीं और ऊपर से बोले कि नहीं लेके आए.
Yeah, the last minute thing.
I'll switch that off for a while. Give me a second.
क्यों गरम कर रहे हैं?
It's my birthday, no? AC रहते हैं ना? बुझ रहा है ना? बुझ रहा है। अब लगा सकते हैं।
इसका पेंट दिख रहा है.
Yeah, that's not coming. ये फोटो ले मैं वीडियो ले रहा है.
अच्छा।
You want to be na you deserve it. हाँ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dear Ankita. To you.
Yay. We had a good time. We spoke a lot and gossiped a lot, and now we are going home. Lolly has to go home. He's on curfew.
I don't have a curfew.
You are at home only already. कैसे है रे?
Bye.
Bye. Chalo, we'll go now. I'll drop Lolly home and then head over to my place.
Hi, Pooja.
You need to say hi, subscribers.
Guys, go follow, subscribe, and what?
Like.
Comment also.
Comment also, yes.
Yeah, that one also.
Chalo, guys. So I'm dropping Lolly home now, and we've reached his place. When are you going to come in the vlog again, Lolly? When are you coming home?
Soon. Coming home.
To meet Chester also.
Chester also.
You all have to see how Nash has grown. I'm sure he's grown tall now. Yes. Yeah. Chalo, I'll also have to have a long drive back home. Yeah, chal milte hain. Chal, bye.
Chal public.
Bye. So guys, I also reached my colony, and now I'm walking to my wing and then eventually home. Amazing haldi, I must say. Nepalis, and amazing time I had with them. Got to meet a few people from Nepal. They came all the way from Nepal to attend the wedding. So today was the haldi, and on the 13th, that is few days from now, is the wedding reception. So I'll be emceeing that as well. Whew, I don't know how was baby and Baba's day. I don't know whether they have uploaded or taken some videos. If they have, well and good. If not, it's fine. Let's see. Ankita was kind enough to give the cake for Hriday. He must have gone to sleep by now, so I'll give him tomorrow to eat. I and baby will eat half, of course, right now. So guys, this is where I end the vlog. I hope you all had an amazing time watching it, and a lot of stuff we need to tell you. Maybe with time we shall. Until then, keep on guessing. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.